pondered on the secret behind the skyrocketing popularity of the ketogenic diet? Today, we're embarking on a journey into the world of keto cooking, a culinary landscape where science meets flavor in a unique and fascinating way. The ketogenic diet, or keto for short, is a dietary regimen that has taken the world by storm. Its central tenet is a drastic reduction in carbohydrate intake, replaced primarily with healthy fats. The goal? To usher the body into a state called ketosis, a metabolic state where fat, instead of glucose, becomes the primary source of energy. It's a shift in the body's fuel supply that can bring about a host of potential health benefits. But how does one navigate the kitchen when the familiar staples of bread, pasta, and rice are off the table? Keto cooking is a culinary art that requires innovation and flexibility. High-carb ingredients are swapped out for low-carb alternatives. Think cauliflower rice, almond flour bread, and zucchini noodles. It's a fascinating world where creativity reigns supreme. However, like any diet, the ketogenic diet is not without its potential pitfalls. While it can aid in weight loss, regulate blood sugar levels, and even improve mental clarity, it's crucial to be mindful of nutrient density. A well-formulated ketogenic diet should be rich in a variety of foods to prevent potential deficiencies. The impact of the ketogenic diet extends beyond individual kitchens. It has influenced food trends, marketing strategies, and even consumer behavior. Keto-friendly options are popping up in restaurants and grocery stores, and the diet has sparked a broader conversation about nutrition and health. Reflecting on the ketogenic diet, its principles, and its culinary techniques, it's clear that it's more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle choice. It challenges conventional wisdom about what constitutes a healthy diet and encourages a fresh approach to cooking and eating. Looking ahead, the landscape of keto cooking continues to evolve. With ongoing research and culinary innovations, the future of this dietary approach remains bright. As we continue to understand the relationship between diet and health, the ketogenic diet stands as a testament to the power of food as medicine. Today, we've explored the art and science of keto cooking, delving into its principles, culinary techniques, health implications, and societal impact. As we continue to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of nutrition, the ketogenic diet offers a unique perspective on what it means to eat well and live healthily. So whether you're a seasoned keto veteran or just curious about this low-carb lifestyle, remember, the journey into the world of keto cooking is a voyage of discovery, innovation, and above all, delicious food. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please hit that like button and share it with your friends. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll know exactly when a new video is posted. Your support means the world to us, and we're excited to bring you even more great content. Until next time, stay inspired and keep exploring towards a more fulfilling and blissful lifestyle with us. Bless your heart and see you in the next video.